Hey everybody, Bobby, your bartender here over at the Monocle. You can check us out at the monoclestl.com. Before I get started with today's cocktail, I just want to give a shout out to all of our GoFundMe supporters out there that have been donating very generously to us to help keep our little venue and bar afloat in these tough times. We haven't quite got a time when we're going to be opening up doors again, but we hope it's going to be very soon because we definitely miss you, and I can't wait to serve you guys some cocktails in person. And with that in mind, I'm actually going to get ready with today's cocktail, another classic that I hope you guys will enjoy at home in these warmer days ahead of us, and it's going to be an Aviation. Aviation is going to be a gin-based cocktail. With that, we're going to start with the local favorite, the Origin 1220 gin. This one kind of works a little better with the cocktail because it's got a more floral note than your dry gins. Particularly like this one because it gives you a little bit of that rose water zing at the end that works really well with floral cocktails. So we're going to do 1 ounce of the Origin 1220. You get 1 ounce of maraschino liqueur. Yeah, right in there. One ounce of our creme de violette for that flower flavor. Lovely color on it too. And a 1 ounce squirt of lemon juice to give it that cloud and the zing. There we go. All right, just put that right in your shaker full of ice and give it a good healthy shake. There. You can smell that right as the cap comes off. You just get yourself a nice coupe right there. Oh yeah, and that's a lovely color on it too. Now, before you enjoy this one, just get yourself a nice little thing of cocktail cherries. We like to use the Luxardos. They're the best in the biz. Just drop one right in the bottom and let that syrup drizzle right into the cocktail. Gives it a little bit sweetness. All right. I'd say that looks pretty fantastic, especially for the warm spring days ahead of us. Yeah, it tastes pretty damn fantastic too. Well, if you guys get a chance to enjoy this cocktail at home, a good old classic Aviation for you. And before I sign off today, just want to ask if you think I look awesome in this t-shirt, because I know I do. But if you want to look awesome in this t-shirt too, these are our specific Monocle t-shirts that we had made by local artist Nelson Perez. And we still have a couple of these left in stock, so hit us up on our website and see what's available, and you too can look just as awesome as me with this t-shirt. And until next time, folks, I will catch you later. Good night and stay safe out there. Thank you.